This video will show you how to remove and install the LCD gauge on your CAT UTV. Do not perform any lubrication, maintenance, or repair on CAT equipment until you have read and understand the operation and maintenance manual for the product. Information in the video complements, but does not replace the detailed safety information featured in CAT operation and maintenance manuals and service manuals. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment. To remove the gauge, pull out on one side and disconnect the multi-pin connector. To install the gauge, connect the multi-pin connector and press the gauge into the dash. Ensure the rubber mounting ring is oriented correctly and is secured to the dash. This concludes the video on removing and installing the LCD gauge on your CAT UTV. For more information, check out your operation and maintenance manual or contact your local participating CAT UTV dealer.